Good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. M.H. Chennaiya, and in today's video, we are going to work out a problem on the section of a triangular pyramid which is resting on one of the triangular faces on HP with the axis parallel to VP, and that is being cut by a horizontal section plane, and we are required to draw the sectional top view, front view, and true shape of the section. And friends, let us see what is the question we have for today's video. The question reads like this: a triangular pyramid of side 30 mm, axis 60 mm long, resting on one of its triangular faces on HP. We will stop at this stage. Now there is a triangular pyramid. It has to rest on one of the triangular faces on HP. And we have learnt in many of our previous videos that whenever a triangular pyramid or any pyramid has to rest on a triangular face on HP, in that case, one of the base edges of the pyramid should be kept to the right side of the observer, and it should be to the right side of him or her. So friends, I am going to place this pyramid on HP with a edge BC normal to VP and obtain the top view ABC of the pyramid with O, the vertex, joined to all the corners like A, B and C. These OA, OB and OC represent the top view of the slant edges O dash, A dash, O dash, B dash and O dash, C dash. Friend, this has got a height of 60 mm. The pyramid height is given to you. And friends, if you observe the front view of the pyramid, the line O dash, A dash to the left of you represents a slant edge, whereas this line O dash, B dash, C dash, which has got 3 points OB, OC and BC, it represents a triangular surface, and this triangular surface is at an angle to HP. But as per the problem, it has to be on HP. Friends, so I am going to redraw this figure 1 as figure number 2 here, such that this O dash, B dash, C dash representing the triangular face is on HP. So I have shown here triangular face. It is on HP. And friends, corresponding to this, we have to view from the top and see how it looks in the top view. And at this juncture, you remember that whenever any of the pyramids or cones rest on one of the end generators in case of cones, one of the slant edges or triangular faces in case of pyramids, the complete base of the solid is visible to the observer. So the base is represented by A dash, B dash, C dash, that is visible to the observer. And friends, I am going to obtain the corresponding top view by projecting lines from there. What I do, I write a vertical line from A dash, a horizontal line from here. The point where those two intersect will give you point A. Likewise, vertical line from B, horizontal line from B dash, they meet at this point and I call this point B. Similarly, we get point C here. This is completely visible, and hence I am going to show all this by visible lines. So I join C to A to B and C to B. This is the base, and exactly in the center you have the center of the bottom face, which I call as O1. Friends, obtain O. So draw a vertical line from O dash and horizontal line from O here. They meet here and I call this point as O. Let us join O to all the corners. So I will just show by thin lines O to C, O to A and O to B. All are visible. Now friends, after placing the object in the final position, we have to mark the section plane which is cutting the solid. Friends, here the section plane SS is horizontal and passes through the center of the base. So the base center is O1 dash. We should write a section plane parallel to XY passing through O1 dash, and figure here we are going to retain the bottom portion of the solid like this, and the upper portion of the solid is removed. So friends, this is the part that is retained. This part of the solid is retained. Now friends, after passing the section plane, let us see where all it is cutting. Friends, if you take the section plane, O dash A dash is cut here and the corresponding OA is here. So draw a vertical line from there and obtain the point, one of the points. Say point number 1, whatever it may be. Next, it is cutting the base AB, and also this is cutting O1 dash you have written. Yes, it is cutting the bottom at, let's see where all it is cutting. Draw a vertical line from there. Friends, it is cutting AC and also it is cutting BC. So AB and AC are cut here. So totally we have got 3 points. 1 here, 2 here, and point 3 here. Join all this by what you call full lines or visible lines. So I am going to join this 1 2 3, 3 to 2, and 1 to 2. And friends, this portion 1 to 3 is to be hatched or sectioned by drawing lines at an angle of 45 degrees to the horizontal. Friends, let's number them. This is 1 comma 2, this point is 3. So I'll write down here 1 comma 2 at this point. Friends, if we observe the top view, the slant edges O dash B dash and O dash C dash are retained. So I am going to draw the corresponding lines here. O to C, O to B, these are retained. And friends, here this portion 0 to C is also retained. So friends, this is how we obtain the sectional top view of the solid, that is STV. And this figure in the front view, it represents the front view which is marked above the XY line, and the portion above this 3 and above this point are to be shown by thin lines, just visible line. You can show them by thin lines. Friends, what are this being asked is asking us to draw its projection and obtain front view. Yes, front view we have got here. The sectional top view, the complete figure here is called the sectional top view STV, and true shape of the section. Friends, whenever any solid, whether it is a prism or a pyramid, a cone or a cylinder or a cube, is cut by a horizontal section plane. Remember, whenever a solid is cut by a horizontal section plane which is parallel to XY and perpendicular to VP, the shaded area or the sectioned area in the top view represents the true shape of the section. So here section plane is SS, is cutting here, the corresponding top view is this one, sectional top view, and the hatched area, that is figure number 1 2 3, 1 2 3, this figure 1 2 3 represents, shows or represents true shape of section, and in this case the true shape of section is a triangle. Friends, I hope the presentation was interesting. Please go through the complete video, and if you like this video, please share the information about this video with all your friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Have a wonderful day.